Here I've got HUAWEI Mate 30 and let me show you how to activate unknown sources on the following device. So at the very beginning you have to open the settings, then find and select security, go to more settings, and here you will notice install apps from external sources. Click on it and now you can allow installation from some particular app. So let me pick for example gallery, enable, then we can also give access to files. So from now on, those applications which you will give this access will be able to go through the installation process. So now you can download application from those sources and it will be allowed. So that will be basically all. This is how you can allow installation from unknown sources. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.